Respected Chairperson and all present here, a very good morning to all of you. The topic is effect of spiritual intelligence on job satisfaction and occupational stress among male army officers. To me, spiritual intelligence is an innate human ability, a set of adaptive mental capacities based on the non-material and transcendent aspects of reality. The term basically was coined by Zohar and Marshall, and as far as the practical implications of spiritual intelligence are concerned, it facilitates unique means of problem solving, abstract reasoning, and coping. The second variable in the study is occupational stress. Occupational stress is stress at work. It is basically the harmful physical and emotional response which is the result of a mismatch between job demands and the aspirations of the worker. And the next variable in the study is job satisfaction. For me, job satisfaction is a pleasurable emotional state which results from a match between the worker's expectations and rewards provided by the job. It is an effective reaction and an attitude towards one's job. Spirituality has generally been related to better mental health, greater well-being, and higher quality of life. A lot of research is available on this aspect. Review of literature also suggests that spiritual well-being is positively related to job satisfaction, and it is an important factor in dealing with workplace stress. A lot of research has been conducted on relating spirituality to job satisfaction and occupational stress in a lot of other professions, but none is available on the lives of armed force personnel. The armed force personnel experience a variety of psychological stresses which are unique to military life only. The current study is an attempt to explore the effect of spiritual intelligence on job satisfaction and occupational stress among male army officers. As a result, the major objectives of the study were to study the effect of spiritual intelligence and on job satisfaction and occupational stress of male army officers. We began with the hypothesis that army officers with high and low spiritual intelligence will differ significantly on their scores of job satisfaction and occupational stress. The sample of the study constituted 60 male army officers from the ranks of captain, major, and lieutenant colonel. They were all in the age range from 25 to 45 years. The tools used for the study were Spiritual Intelligence Self-Report Inventory by T.B. King, Occupational Stress Index by A.K. Shrivastava, and Job Satisfaction Scale by A. Singh and T.R. Sharma. The procedure adopted was, firstly, Spiritual Intelligence Self-Report Inventory was administered on male army officers, and depending upon these scores, the group was divided into two: officers with low spiritual intelligence and officers with high spiritual intelligence. Then the occupational stress index and the job satisfaction scale was administered on both the groups. The results are as follows. Officers with high spiritual intelligence were significantly different from officers with low spiritual intelligence on both the factors, job satisfaction and occupational stress. The major findings of the study are as follows. Army officers with high spiritual intelligence have significantly higher scores on job satisfaction as compared to their colleagues who scored low on spiritual intelligence. Spirituality has been linked to general job satisfaction and has a positive influence on well-being and general self-efficacy. A lot of researchers have confirmed this, and similar findings have been reported in this study also. The next major finding is officers with high spiritual intelligence experience occupational stress which is significantly lower than occupational stress experienced by officers with low spiritual intelligence. Again, the findings have been affirmed by a lot of other research studies in other professions. The major implications of the study are: spirituality can help in ameliorating workplace stress. At the same time, it can be important in one's working life. It can help decrease the perception of workplace stressor, and it can majorly contribute to a sense of wellness at the workplace. Developing and encouraging workplace spirituality can help army officers to face unique stressors of their work life. It can increase their job satisfaction. It can foster positive ethical values and improve attendance rates. There are many areas of life in armed forces where spiritual intelligence can be applied. As we know, they have unique stressors. They can apply spiritual intelligence to their personal security, personal effectiveness. They can gain interpersonal understanding, and they use their inner resources to gain capacity to adapt. And most important, they can align their personal values with a sense of purpose. Thank you.